Take a ride in the 2018 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, ventilated front seats, rain sensing wipers, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.